places?
Whole body.
Interesting.
This is really, really interesting. Even though we don't notice it, we lose about 30,000 or 40,000 dead skin cells every minute.
No, that's surprising.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. That is beyond crazy. Every minute, am I losing skin cells right now?
Yes.
Wow.
You're losing like
While we are in class.
Like,
Wow. This is why we need to shower every day.
you shower every day?
Yeah. Because if skin cells are falling off throughout the day, we need to help the body remove them off totally, rather than
Or we can shake ourselves. Like shake, 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 shake. Clean myself, clean myself, clean myself. And we can show the dead skin cells like this.
So knowing this, okay, I have a question. Knowing this, how often do you shake, shake, shake? Because apparently you think shaking, shaking, and shaking helps the skin to shed off those dead skin cells. So how often do you shake, shake, shake yourself?
I don't shake it. I sometimes run, but we
You
don't need
sometimes
to shake it too.
So how do you get rid of the dead cells? Because they're falling off every minute.
When I take a shower, the dead skin cells fall, so I don't worry about them.
I see.